I'm sure everyone's heard of Botox now, but I mean, years ago, this was our best kept secret. Our patients would come in and have Botox, and no one could really figure out what was being done. They'd come in and say their friends ask if they were on vacation, they look rested and relaxed, but they look very normal and very natural. So Botox is used for lines of movement. So if we look at our patient here, some people call it the 1s, the 11s, or the 111s. So the frown area here is an excellent area. And truly there is nothing better than Botox because it is the product that's going to address the movement in these areas. So in this case, it would take just a couple little injections in these areas of the medication. The medicine kicks in very quickly. Most people within a couple days, they notice that there's less movement in the areas. It's already starting to relax. 75% of the people, it's kicked in a week. The other 25% take a second week to relax and balance out those areas. The muscles that we're trying to target, there are some muscles here in the middle, and we can do some treatment here. The crow's feet are another popular area, and we can also relax some of these forehead lines. So Botox relaxes the movement in these areas. So if we looked at this patient here, we can see with the movement, we're here. The Botox has done its job. There still is a little line or a crease there from the years of moving that. If this patient will keep up with their Botox, maybe use some topical things, maybe they'll need a laser or a micropen treatment to help soften those a little bit more, but the movement's not there, so Botox is doing its job. Same thing where all these lines were here, you can see how we've relaxed those areas, but it looks very normal, very natural. So we see some nice examples of what Botox can do. As I said, there is nothing better than Botox. It's a very simple treatment in the office. You know, a few simple injections in each area, and like I said, within a couple days we're already seeing the results. There's no other treatment that can do what Botox can do.